Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I will teach you next points of voice. Next point is preposition other than by. It means we will not use in this type of sentences preposition by. After some verbs, by preposition is not placed. With some verbs we use other prepositions like with, at, into, etc. For example, Mohan knows me. Me is object. In passive voice becomes subject. I knows present indefinite tense. So we can use is, am, are. I am knows first form, known third. I am known to Mohan. We use preposition to with known, not by. Next, he cannot please Mohan. Mohan is object in active voice. In passive voice it becomes subject. Mohan can modal, so we will use in be. Mohan cannot be pleased, third form pleased, and with pleased we will use preposition with. Mohan cannot be pleased with, he changed into him. Next, her story interested me. Me change into I interested past indefinite tense, so was. I was interested preposition in, interested in her story. We use these prepositions with these words. Verbs: satisfied with, surprised at, contained in, shocked at, amazed at, amused at, vexed at, annoyed at, filled at, etc. Next, passive of infinitives. It means to plus verb first form. For changing the infinitive into passive, this form is used. When we will find any sentence infinitive, then we will change according to this rule. Object plus is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, plus to plus be. It means infinitive plus verb third form. For example, I am to finish this work. This work is object sentence. So according to rule, object, this work is to be, third form finished by me. Next, you will have to do it. It, in this sentence, it object. It will have to be done by you. Next, we were to buy a car. According to rule, object, a car, was, infinitive, to be, bought by us. Next, for the sentences which begin with it is time to, the form is it is time plus for plus object plus to be plus verb third form. It is time to take a cup of tea. According to rule, it is time plus object in this sentence is a cup of tea. It is time for a cup of tea to be, third form taken. Next, it is time to stop writing. According to rule, it is time, first of all we will write it is time, after that for, after that object is writing. It is time for writing, after that to be, third form stopped. It is time for writing to be stopped. Next, it is time to supply food. According to rule, it is time plus for. It is time for object food to be, and last third form. It is time for food to be supplied. Next, use of vague subject. It means unclear subject. Subject is not clear. People say, they say, people believe, they believe, people assume, they assume is changed into it is believed, it is said, it is assumed, etc. For example, people say that the earth is round. According to rule, it is said that the earth is round. And second, they believe that Mr. Shukla is very rich. According to rule, it is believed that Mr. Shukla is very rich. Next, subject not expressed. It means subject not given in passive sentences. Sometimes in passive sentences, the subject is not given as it is understood. In such cases, the agent, it means subject, has to be supplied by us. For example, the thief has been caught. This sentence is in passive voice and subject is not clear, so the police has caught the thief. In this sentence, the police is a subject. Next, the road was repaired. It is also passive voice, and when we will change it into active voice, it will become the workmen repaired the road, because repaired is second form according to rule was or were. The road was repaired. It is passive voice, and active voice is the workmen repaired the road. Next, my purse has been stolen. It is also passive voice. Someone has stolen my purse. Has, past perfect tense, and when we will change it into passive voice, we will use been, and when we will change into active voice, we will not write been, only has. Someone has stolen my purse. Have you understood it very well? Thank you, students.